Look at this endless horizon of discarded fashion. Mountains of forgotten clothing stretch continuously, representing a massive environmental challenge, demanding immediate solutions. A mechanical claw descends from a crane, plunging heavy steel jaws into the pile to bite off a massive scrap chunk. The jaws swing open, dropping a vibrant cascade of fabrics onto a reinforced wire mesh conveyor belt. Carrying its load, the sturdy belt leaves the outdoors, heading into the dark portal of the primary processing facility. The stream of garments tumbles over the edge, crashing into a large steel hopper that regulates material flow. Operators in protective gear inspect the moving current, swiftly extracting any hard, non-textile objects hidden in the colorful mix. Cleared of debris, sorted clothing accelerates down a steep metal chute, sliding at high speed toward the washing zone. Garments plunge aggressively into an enormous basin filled with violently churning bubbling water for their initial soak. Metal paddles rotate relentlessly inside the murky tank, agitating the submerged fabrics to knock loose years of surface dirt. A spiked conveyor belt emerges, grabbing and hauling the heavy waterlogged bundles of clothing up from the pre-wash basin. Dripping garments fall into the main vat, instantly sinking beneath a thick blanket of dense industrial soap suds. Heavy steel rollers glide back and forth, forcefully pressing soapy textiles against the gleaming stainless floor, ensuring deep cleaning. Traveling over a porous mesh screen, a powerful overhead array of high-pressure water jets blasts away every trace of detergent. The clean-soaked garments are shoved down a slippery ramp, sliding directly into the belly of a massive centrifuge. This metal drum spins at dizzying velocities, using centrifugal force to fling water outward through perforated walls, wringing out the fabrics. A hydraulic piston pushes the densely packed block of damp clothing out of the drum, dropping it onto a heat-resistant belt. Moving forward, the damp load enters the gaping entrance of a tunnel-style industrial dryer where thick clouds of steam pour out. Inside, the dark tunnel's scorching blasts of thermal air violently rip the garments around, causing them to puff up and dry. Fully dried, tumbling fabrics exit the heating tunnel, passing beautifully through ethereal shafts of sunlight, beaming from high factory windows. The belt dumps the completely dry clothing directly into the gaping maw of a colossal shredding machine with serrated metal rollers. Wicked steel gears brutally chew and crush the once intact garments, effortlessly tearing thick denim and cotton into large, ragged fragments. These coarse fabric scraps are carried into a secondary refined shredding unit equipped with closely spaced high-carbon cutting blades. High-speed rotary knives furiously chop the rough fragments, spitting out a continuous waterfall of narrow, highly frayed, multicolored textile strips. A wide metal platform violently vibrates underneath the pile, evenly distributing the frayed strips into a uniform layer across the belt. A massive industrial vacuum hood creates a powerful upward draft, sucking the colorful strips off the belt vertically into a duct. The airborne strips cascade down from the vacuum, piping directly onto the rapidly spinning spike-covered cylinders of the primary tearing machine. Rotating drums of sharp pins aggressively claw at the woven strips, violently ripping them apart into rough, vividly colored clumps. These coarse clumps feed through ultra-fine combing cylinders, meticulously detaching every single thread to break down the fabric into soft fibers. A tremendous air blast propels this brilliantly colored, newly softened recycled fluff forward, blowing it into a gigantic transparent observation chamber. Powerful air currents create an oddly satisfying artificial tornado inside the glass enclosure, vigorously blending the vibrant fibers to maximize loft. A smooth extraction pipe gently pulls the fully volumized plush cloud of rainbow fibers out of the chamber for the final phase. Shooting overhead, the stream of vibrant fluff travels at high speed through a clear pneumatic tube into a brightly lit assembly zone. Workers in clean white coats use smooth motions to slip the open mouths of pristine pillow and rug liners over filling nozzles. The steel nozzle unleashes a high-pressure air burst, blasting the colorful, upcycled fiber into the white casing, instantly inflating it fully. An electronic sensor flashes green, instantly cutting off the pneumatic airflow, the exact millisecond the core reaches perfectly calibrated firmness. The belt glides the edge of the filled liner through an automated sewing machine, stitching the bulging white opening shut with precision. These plump, cloud-like white inserts, faintly glowing with the vibrant colors trapped inside, glide effortlessly down a spotless rubber transport belt. Gloved hands meticulously smooth out empty high-end decorative pillow and rug covers on a sleek table, revealing intricate patchwork and luxurious patterns. Soft, rubber-coated mechanical grippers gently pinch both sides of the premium cover zipper track, carefully pulling them apart to create an opening. A felt-lined mechanical pushing arm glides forward effortlessly, sliding the densely packed, upcycled core into the open mouth of the outer shell. An operator presses the four edges of the fabric casing, coaxing the recycled fluff to perfectly fill out every corner. The fully stuffed decorative pillows and thick luxury rugs are meticulously aligned in a straight line onto the finishing conveyor. An automated winch head glides along the rim of each product, pulling the zipper shut to completely encase the fluffy interior. The sealed premium items cruise down the belt, approaching a futuristic array of metallic robotics designed for quality assurance testing. Pneumatic robotic arms slam down forcefully into the center of the plush surfaces, heavily compressing the upcycled inner material. The arms retract rapidly, and the pillows and rugs instantly bounce back, demonstrating exceptional rebound and perfectly plump elasticity. A red laser sweeps across the intricate patchwork surfaces, hunting for flawed seams before a green indicator light signals approval. At the branding station, the mechanical gripper delicately picks up a woven tag, proudly embroidered with 100% recycled. An automated sewing needle taps furiously, at a blistering pace, securely stitching the elegant brand label against the zippered edge. A looping needle pierces biodegradable twine straight through the metal zipper pull, preparing the sustainable product for its retail presentation. An automatic tool locks the string in place, leaving a brown craft paper hang tag with a recycling symbol dangling beautifully. An inspector gently flips each vibrant pillow and rug over utilizing trained eyes to verify flawless craftsmanship one last time. An autonomous machine arm drags a flat sheet of recycled cardboard forward, rapidly folding creases to construct an empty packing box. A soft silicone vacuum disc lowers from above, securing a tight suction grip to hoist the premium Decor item. The suction plate glides over and releases the vacuum, dropping the perfectly dimensioned product exactly into the center of the box. Four mechanical steel arms fire in rapid succession, pushing down the top flaps of the cardboard carton to seal the opening. The box slides through a taping mechanism where a continuous strip of brown gummed paper tape rolls along the top seam. A high-speed inkjet printer flashes across the moving corrugated sidewall, leaving behind a crisp brand logo and scannable retail barcode. A heavy-duty robot arm firmly grasps the securely sealed carton, lifting and placing it with pinpoint accuracy onto a wooden pallet. A waiting forklift smoothly reverses with its load, elevating the fully stacked pallet of premium sustainable goods deep into a sunlit storage warehouse.